Have you ever stopped to wonder if the world around you, your thoughts, or even your sense of right and wrong actually exist independently, or if they are products of your mind or culture? These are not just idle musings. They are fundamental questions that lie at the heart of metaphysics. Realism and anti-realism are crucially important metaphysical concepts because they directly address the nature of existence, truth, and knowledge across all domains of inquiry. They provide foundational frameworks for understanding whether certain entities, properties, or facts exist objectively, independent of human perception or conceptual schemes. Realism asserts that a given subject matter exists objectively, regardless of whether any mind perceives or thinks about it. For example, a realist about physical objects would say that trees, rocks, and planets exist even if no one is observing them. A realist about mathematics might argue that numbers and geometric truths hold true universally, independent of human discovery. This perspective provides a stable and consistent view of reality, allowing for universal truths and scientific investigation. Conversely, anti-realism proposes that the existence or nature of something is dependent on our minds, language, or social constructs. An anti-realist about ethical values, for instance, might contend that right and wrong are not objective properties of the universe but rather human inventions or cultural agreements. Similarly, some anti-realists argue that scientific entities like electrons are merely useful theoretical constructs rather than independently existing particles. This viewpoint highlights the role of human interpretation and experience in shaping our understanding of reality. Understanding these two stances helps us clarify debates in philosophy of mind, science, ethics, and aesthetics. For instance, in philosophy of science, the debate between scientific realism and anti-realism impacts how we interpret scientific theories and whether they describe a mind-independent reality or merely provide useful models. When you encounter a claim about truth or existence, recognizing the underlying realist or anti-realist assumption helps you to critically evaluate its basis. These concepts introduce us to the idea of ontological commitment, which refers to what we commit to believing exists when we adopt a certain theory or worldview. For example, believing in the objective existence of abstract entities like numbers is an ontological commitment of mathematical realism. Furthermore, these positions aren't necessarily all or nothing. One can be a realist about physical objects but an anti-realist about moral facts, demonstrating the nuanced application of these metaphysical tools. Ultimately, grappling with realism and anti-realism hones your critical thinking skills, enabling you to dissect complex ideas and identify the implicit assumptions about existence that underpin various fields of knowledge. They reveal that the very fabric of what we consider real is a profound and ongoing philosophical discussion, deepening our appreciation for the intricate nature of reality and our place within it.